The brown one? Yeah, I know. That's not your mommy.
What are you doing, bud? Oh!
The girls, if they want to help you feed the pigs.
Me? Oh. Sorry.
Yeah, you want to help me feed the pigs?
Yeah, I love pigs. Hi, buddy. What are you doing, bud? You want to be a farm dog, too?
I'm going to let Maggie in the pen so she can feed the puppies.
Yeah.
Megan. Oh.
She's talking to you. She's spaced out.
See you. Oh my goodness.
I know he's been doing that all day.
Really?
No, he pooped earlier.
Puppy. Puppy. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Hi.
I wonder if he really is constipated.
Hi. Hi, bud. Oh my god. Oh, that's my toe. Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Megan, you gonna help with the pig?
I can't see. I can't see the baby. I can't see the baby.
Shelby, are you helping?
She thinks this is the mom.